Hey, good morning, guys. Bill McMillan here with IndyWX.com. 7:30 on Wednesday morning, and a cold front passed through the states Tuesday night. A couple of thunderstorms accompanied that front, but most of that activity really began to fall apart just south of the city itself. This morning, we're left with less humid conditions, and we'll really notice that less humid feel as we progress through the next few hours into the afternoon. A refreshing day ahead, and night for that matter as well. A couple of clouds out there indicated here on the visible satellite this morning, but dry conditions are in place, and temperatures will top out in the mid and upper 80s this afternoon across central portions of the state. 87, 88 or so for Indianapolis. Fall tonight into the mid 60s in the city itself. However, notice that northern and east central portions of the state will fall into the upper 50s. So some very refreshing conditions considering that we're in the middle part of July. Again on Thursday with dry skies in place, temperatures should top out in the mid 80s. And then the big story as we move into the upcoming weekend will be increasing heat and humidity. I think highs on Friday will top out in the low 90s. Taking a look at the GFS forecast model here, let me back this up just a little bit for you so we can get to the weekend here. Dry conditions should remain through the end of the work week, and really for that matter into the upcoming weekend, or at least the first half of the weekend. I think only an isolated thunderstorm is possible Saturday before coverage begins to increase and then rain storm chances increase as a whole Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening. Attention will then shift to this cold front off to our northwest as we open up the new work week. And with that will come much better chances of shower and thunderstorm activity Monday into early Tuesday, and then a big push of unseasonably cool air will arrive behind that front, really set up just an unseasonably cool, refreshing period next week. Another cold front takes a stab at the region as we move into late next week and next weekend, and with that front, we'll again notice an increasing chance of shower and thunderstorm activity, but behind that boundary, expect even cooler air. Kind of a hint of fall, if you will, as we move through the last few days of the month of July. No surprise, the GFS ensemble continues to show this cooler pattern evolving to wrap up the month. We've been talking about this hot dome retrograding west and setting up shop over the Rockies, and sure enough, that's what's happening here. In return, a cooler, more refreshing regime is left for our portion of the country. And then if we wanted to, let me see if I can show you real quick. Just pull up temperature anomalies here. And just notice, guys, the expansive nature of this cool down coming to wrap up the month. This isn't just a 1 or 2 day type cool down. This is going to be a rather substantial cool down, and one that's quite significant as well. Again, still continue to feel confident with the potential of lows in the 45 to 50 degree range and highs only in the 70s as we wrap up the month of July. Guys, make it a great Wednesday. Thank you as always for logging on to IndyWX.com. We'll talk with you soon.